Make sure you comment, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.
My voice is so annoying. I personally think the sound of my voice is super duper annoying. Like, I cannot stand the sound of my voice. And it's weird because it's like, when I speak, I don't think I sound that annoying. Like, I think I have a pretty decent voice when I hear myself speak. But then, like, when I listen back to my recordings, I'm like, ew, why do I sound like that? Like, ugh. Like, why didn't anybody tell me that my voice was super duper annoying? Like, when I edit my videos, I keep my volume, like, real low. Like, low. Like, just enough to hear, like, oh, what did I say? Oh, that's right, I had to edit that part out. But other than that, like, I can't. Like, if I'm watching a video, I be telling people, like, look, caution, I was speaking, it's super annoying. Because, I don't know, I just can't pinpoint it. Like I said, when I speak, I think I sound fine. I'm like, oh, you know, sis, your voice ain't really that bad. And then when I listen to videos and stuff, I'm like, why didn't anyone tell me to shut up? Like, why? I just be like, Rosetta, just stop speaking. Like, just stop. Ugh. I get so disappointed because I don't know what I thought I sounded like when I speak, but not like this. So now when I go back, gotta watch this video, edit it, put the pieces together. I'm just gonna probably be like this the whole time, like, girl, my ears, Rosetta, you hurting your own ears. And then, like, when I hear certain people like, yeah, like, I hate the sound of my voice, so I'm like, shut up with your good sounding ass voice. I be sounding real, I don't know what it is. I just don't like it. But guys, thank you for watching. If you like what you see, like what you hear, comment, like, share, and subscribe. Hey, until next time. Until next time. Oh, and don't forget to hit that bell. That bell. What that bell? Hit that bell. That bell. That bell. So you can get my notifications. Thank you for watching, guys. Until next time. Mwah.